my name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is going to be week 2 of my box braids, so update over week 2 and just how this second week has been. So really the biggest thing is my scalp is so irritated, like right here, as you can see. And then also I feel like it's kind of thinning out right here, if you can tell, like it's real thin. And just right here my scalp is all red and my scalp is just really irritated. Because of that fact, I don't know how much longer these gonna last, but I'm still trying to push for 4 to 6 weeks, so maybe only 2 more weeks, honestly. My braids, like I told y'all in the first update, they're still like a little loose, like right here in some areas, but and like none haven't slid out again. Like I said in the first update video, I had one slide out. This one, none haven't slid out, but I do feel like some have the potential to either slide out on its own, but my hair is so long it won't slide out, but it'll get like really low, you know what I'm saying? Or like if I pull it, I can like pull it out. So I'm saying that's what I feel like might happen in this upcoming week. But yes, this is how I styled my hair today because it was my first day back at school. So this is how I wore my hair. My legs are shaking. I wonder if you can see, they're really long. Like I can't show you how long they are, but they're like touching my butt. But yeah, and this is how it's looking. You know how it's looking. But yeah, this is the back. This is the side. Cause I didn't give you a full view in my other 2 videos. But yeah. And this is what it looks like. They look really good, if I say so myself. But yeah, I'm hot, y'all. But yeah, just the fact that I have this scalp irritation and I feel like my hair is thinning a little bit in some areas is like a no-go for me. As you can see, the braids are getting looser because I'm able to bring out a little bit more baby hair. But some of them, even though some are loose, some are still like really tight. Like this one right here, that's probably why it's so much irritation right here, because this one is not loose. This one is in there. And yeah, they're holding up pretty well. My ends, show you how those look. They starting to look like Grinch fingers, but it don't look bad yet. And yeah, it's not much I can say other than the fact that some of my braids are still like loose, like right here. And then I got some that's looser than that. This one right here is, I don't even know if you can see. This one right here is pretty loose. And but other than that, I mean, they're not falling out. My scalp is irritated, but that's it, you know. I don't know what else to say. Again, if you want to know all the information about my hair and how I did my box braids, I have a video literally titled all about my box braids, and I'm going to have linked up right here. And then I have a 1-week update. Both of those videos will just be linked down below. Both of them, they should be the first 2 videos under related videos right down there. Just click my description box and you will see it. But again, like I just said, the all about my box braids video will be in the iCard, so you don't gotta look far. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to that little, it's like my little signature thing now, but I'm trying to get to 150 soon, you know, hopefully by the end of February, you know. Just, I know. So yeah, just subscribe to my channel, like this video if you're like enjoying these updates. I keep y'all updated. This is honestly week 2. Like I finished my hair 2 weeks ago on Monday. It's Monday again. It's been 14 days. But yeah, I'm going to be back next week, week 3, for another weekly update on my box braid. I want to be back and y'all be able to see that. And I don't know what else to say. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I want to see you in my next video, y'all. Bye. Okay. Okay, y'all, I totally forgot to show y'all, but in my last video I told y'all what I was using to keep my, you know, scalp up, kind of hydrated. So this hair serum by Braid Hair Solutions, I did mention it in my last video, but I didn't show it to y'all. So here it is, right there. And then the other oil I've been using is my just oil mix that I use, you know, just a couple oils, mix it all together. You know, y'all have seen this on my channel before, but this is the other oil that I use. This was really moisturizing to the scalp because just the oils is in there. And then also, I haven't used this one on my scalp yet for my braids, but I did buy this one just in case I run out of the Braid Hair Solutions oil. So this is the Softy Growth Oil thickening. It's the Softy Signature thickening growth oil. So I'm gonna have to use this on this bald spot. But yeah, I just wanted to add this one little clip in. So yeah.